Turning your pictures from day to night has to be one of the most popular effects in Photoshop, and therefore it's a must-know effect to master. And that's exactly what you're gonna learn in the next few minutes. Let's open up Adobe Photoshop. First, find an image of a house. I found mine on Unsplash. I'll leave a link down below so you can download it, and that way you can follow along. Alright, step 1. Head over to the Layer panel and go to the new Adjustment Layer menu. In here, find Color Lookup. This allows you to apply a LUT to your image. In the Properties panel, head to the 3D LUT file drop-down menu. Choose Night from Day. This one is my go-to LUT for creating this effect. Step 2. Click the new Adjustment Layer button again, and this time find Curves. I want the shadow to be a bit deeper, so let's add a point right here and pull it down. Then I want the sky to be a little bit brighter, so let's move that one a bit to the left. Feel free to go back and forth between those, because this is different for every image. Step 3. Making the windows glow as if there's a light inside the house. Alright, select your picture again and press Ctrl+J on your keyboard to duplicate it. Of course, double click it and give it a name. For example, House Glow. Then drag it all the way on top. Now go back to the new Adjustment Layer button, and this time find the photo filter adjustment. In the Properties panel, increase the density to give it this orange glow. You can always change the filter if you want, by the way. Alright, now we only want this filter to be applied to the image underneath, not to these layers. So to make sure that happens, hold down Alt and hover your cursor in between the photo filter and the house image. That way this little arrow appears. Once you see it, left click. There you go. Alright, now let's make the image night again. To do that, select the house layer and click the mask icon. Then make sure the mask is selected and hit Ctrl+I on your keyboard to invert it. Now the layer is invisible. We're going to paint the glow on our windows. To do that, make sure the inverted mask is selected, and then in the toolbar, select the brush. Now make sure to reset the brush colors by hitting D on your keyboard. That way the selected color should be white. Now if you draw over these windows, you will bring back parts of the inverted mask. By the way, on top of your workspace, make sure the brush hardness is set to 0 and also decrease the opacity. Then all you gotta do is draw in the light, and there you go, that looks beautiful. Now to finish off the effect, you can add a brightness and contrast adjustment layer to make the image look more polished. All you gotta do is play around with the brightness and contrast until you get the desired result. There you go. Next I want to show you the brand new 3D feature in Adobe Photoshop, so to continue the lesson, click the video right here on your left. Thank you guys so much for watching.